City Mega Sale Weekly Promo here in Satwa.
Yes, it's Mega Sale Weekly Promo here at Classic City. Dito nga yan sa Alhodaiba Street sa Satwa, malapit lang sa Satwa Bus Station. Sa tapat lang mismo yan ng Emarat Gas Station. Tara't samahan nyo ko.
Marami na namang bagsak presyong items dito sa Classic City starting January 30 hanggang February 6 pa. Tara, i-check natin ano ba mga bagsak presyong items na dito. Let's go! Ang dami! Starbucks coffee, $2.99. Dettol soap, 4 pieces na, $10.99. Smart tissue, $4.99. Wireless karaoke speaker, $14.99. Infinix power bank, $19.99. Glass with jar, $9.99. Liquid hand wash and dishwash for only $4.99. At meron din dito, liquid detergent powder, $6.99. At Downy, $12.99. Toothbrush 10 pieces, $5.99. Fairy dishwashing liquid, $7.99. Airwick air freshener, 3 pieces na, $7.99. Always pads, $3.99. Spoon set, $4.99. Electric kettle, $14.99. Crest toothpaste, $3.99. Mga bagsak presyo rin dito sa shoe area. Lady sleepers, $9.99. $9.99 din sa doll shoes. Men's sleepers, $10.99. Skyview sneakers, $29.99. Ladies sweater, sale din for only $11.99. And ladies pajama set, $14.99. Mga panlalaki meron din hoodie for only $20.99. And for kids, men's track pants for only $19.99. Men's socks, 9 pairs na, $9.99. Pajama set, $6.99. Ladies bag, $19.99. Leggings, $9.99. Bath towel, $9.99. Single fitted sheet, $7.99. Bed curtain, $7.99. Cloth dryer for only $19.99. Nagkakaubusan na dito, marami ng tao. Baka kayo na lang din nakapunta dito. Sugod na hanggang February 6 pa. See you here sa Classic City. Bye!
Bye!